What's up guys, it's Chop from Muc-Off, and today I'm going to show you how to fit our graphic frame protection kits. Frame protection kits come in 4 different designs. I've gone with this style as this bike is black and white. Let's check it out. Included in these protection kits are additional pieces for any cable rubbing. Before we fit our frame protection kit, we need to ensure that the surface is clean. So I'm going to be using our quick drying degreaser. I'm going to be spraying it onto our microfiber cloth, wiping onto the areas to ensure it is contaminant free for the best adhesion. Now all the surfaces are clean on your bike, it's time to wash your hands and get yourself one of these sheets. On this sheet in particular, we've got the top tube, the down tube and the seat tube. Let's start with the obvious, the top tube. So I find the best way to apply these stickers is by just slightly pinching the edge of the sticker, lining up at the front and working our way back down very slowly. Next I'm going to get a microfiber cloth and I'm just going to use my finger inside. I'm just pushing from the centre outwards, making sure there's no air bubbles in there and making sure all the edges are completely down. Now I'm repeating exactly the same process for the chain stays, seat stays, down tube and seat tube. On a lot of mountain bikes there will be some chain guards, and on this one in particular we have one under here and one along here, so I'm going to have to cut along the guard to make sure it fits snug. So with a clean pair of scissors we're going to cut parallel along with the frames for a nice straight line. So now all I'm going to do is push around the guard. So because this bike is fitted with electronic gearing, there's not a lot of cables, but there is one piece here, so I'm going to put it underneath the cable. So our frame is now protected. Now it's time to install our crank protection kit as well as our fork protection kit, and these come in 4 different styles. So I've gone with a camo for the black fork and black crank. It's going to look pretty cool. When installing the fork protection kit, do take a look at the instructions on the back to ensure you're putting on the correct side. Line it up at the top, and then I'll line it up at the bottom, and just run your finger across it, and now we're going to use our microfiber cloth. And that is how you install our Cube-Tec frame protection kit. Thanks for watching.